The construction of Rusinga Ring Road in Homa Bay County is expected to be completed within 7 months. The 19.3-kilometer road, valued at 1.3 billion shillings, is now 75% complete. It is expected to provide a major boost to the fishing industry in Suba region. According to the Kenya Urban Roads Authority KURA Managing Director Engineer Silas Kinoti, beyond economic benefits, the improved infrastructure says he will enhance road safety and connectivity.
The benefits of this project to this island is that it has created an access to the beaches. If you look around here, I believe that Rusinga Island has got one of the best, one of the beautiful beaches in Kenya. And we are really trying to attract investors here to come and put big hotels here. Instead of people going to their holidays in Mombasa, they can still come here.
Vandalism, I'll just tell our people that we should not vandalize the road assets because it's ours. The road belongs to us. It doesn't belong to KURA.